Building B2B lead list is the most boring task as I have to go to hours on manual research, copying data from 5 different sources, cleaning it up, and I still end up with half of the information missing. That's why we're going to do web prospecting with AI, and you can build full lead list within matter of seconds just by typing what you want in plain English. We are going to use Coresignal for this. What is Coresignal? It is a B2B data provider on companies, employees, and job posting from over 15 public web resources with 500 plus data fields per company profile. And with the AI data search feature, the whole idea is very simple. You just describe what type of leads or companies you are looking for in normal everyday language, and the AI builds a structured lead list for you so that you can refine, preview, enrich, and download straight away. Let me show you how this works. So head over to coresignal.com and log in or sign up with your account. And yes, it's free to get started with. Here is our beautiful dashboard, and you will see this AI data search tool right here. And with this, you don't need to learn anything about those complex boolean filters or reading any API docs. You just type what you want to build in natural language, like chatting with AI. So let me show you or type our first prompt, like find me SaaS companies that are based in US, have raised funding in last year, and currently are at least looking for one active job posting. And watch this. Within seconds, it has pulled up matching results from the entire database. You get a preview of up to 100 top matching records right here. You can see the company names, locations, employee counts, all of the key data points. And the best part, you can actually see the query that AI has generated underneath. So if you're a more technical user like me and you want to use the API later at bigger scale, you can easily copy this query and use it directly without rebuilding anything. But let's say I want to narrow this down. I don't have to start over again. I just have to type another condition right here inside this chat. For instance, only show me companies with more than 50 plus employees, and boom, it has refined the lead list for me. So it's basically like having conversation with data. Now let's try something different. Let's say you're running an outreach and you want to find right people to contact. For example, find decision makers working at Shopify, and there you go. It pull up employee profiles with their role, experience, and all the relevant data points. But I'm going to focus more on the company data so that you will see the most value for building lead lists. Now this is the part that saves me most amount of time. Once you have your lead list, you can click on select additional data fields to enrich it. We are talking about funding points, tech stack, headcount, website traffic, all of those signals that will help you actually qualify whether the company is worth reaching out to or not. You can also enrich this entire lead list at once or pick some specific records you care about. That's totally up to you. So once you are happy with your lead list or result, you have two options for exporting. You can download this 100 record preview as a sample data, or if you need a bigger data set, you can export 10,000 fully enriched records. And all of this data is multi-source, meaning that they are pulling from multiple public web sources, cleaning it up and enriching them with AI. So this is not just an raw scrape data. It has been processed and structured so that you can use it straight away. Now let me show a few more prompts or examples so that you can get better idea on how flexible this is. For example, list AI companies with more than 50,000 monthly visitors that have active marketing positions. And that's a great example if you're doing competitive research or looking for fastest growing companies in a specific industry. Next prompt, discover companies that are using HubSpot but not Salesforce. So if you're selling a CRM integration or migration service, this is exactly lead list right here. Another prompt, find companies that are founded in 2026 that has recently raised a funding round. That's perfect for investors or anyone targeting a listed startup. So whether you are a founder, recruiter, market researcher, or a salesperson, you should use Coresignal's AI data search feature to build high quality B2B lead lists in seconds and download them using plain English. And you can also pull up specific data sets without needing a data team. So if you want to try out AI data search feature for free, head over to coresignal.com, log in or sign up with your account, and yes, they will give you 200 free credit to test it out. So make sure to check out the link in the description to build data-driven platforms with real-time public web data with Coresignal.